In this video, we will learn how to transfer files between our computer and our smartphones. As you know, we are going to use Shareit. Let's jump to the screen and see how we can install and using it. You need to know few notes. At first, your computer or your laptop needs to be connected into the same network as your smartphone connected on that.
I put the download link of the application on the description of this video, so download that from the link and you'll see this file. You need to extract it. I use WinRAR. If you have 7-zip or other kind of applications, you can extract that too. I press on extract here. It says type a password. You need to just type DrComp YT. Press on the OK. You'll see this file. Open it. This is the Shareit file and this is the link of my YouTube channel if you want to watch other videos of me. You can press on that. I double click on the Shareit. You need to accept the agreement. This is the program location that you're going to install the app. You mustn't change that and press on the next. It says, do you want to create a desktop shortcut? If you want, I can create a shortcut of the Shareit on your desktop. It means this, so I like it and I press on the next, and the installation finished. If you enable this checkbox, it means that right now the Shareit is going to be launched. I didn't turn that off and I press on the finish. You need to accept the agreement. I press on the accept. Right now you'll see a tab. If you want, you can press on the skip, or if you want, you can watch all of them. You can transfer files from your Android or iOS device onto your computer, and it's just this. Press on the try now. Right now the Shareit app is installed in our PC. You have two ways to connect your phone into your Shareit. At first you can scan a QR code. If you press on show QR code, you can scan this QR code from your mobile device. I will tell you later on the video. And if you want, you can connect your computer and your phone into the same network, and after that your phone is going to search this Shareit and you'll see your icon and your name, and is going to connect and sending files on that. I will show my screen record on here of the screen. Okay, I coded the Shareit. Too slow, right? Okay, I don't want to update and see the ads. Get away. On this plus icon, you'll see scan QR code and connect to PC. If you press scan on QR code, your camera is going to be open and you need to press on show QR code, and after that you will scan it from your phone. Hurry up, man. I need to buy a phone. Subscribe. After monetization I can buy a phone. I cannot right now. I cannot buy it. I said as buy a LAN because my PC is connected with a LAN connection into my network. Okay, right now my phone is connected into my PC. If I want to share files, I press on here, share the photo that I want. For example, I want to share this one. If I want to share apps into my computer, if I want to share music, if I want to share video files and the recent documents that I read, I press on the next and it is sharing. And these are the bugs that you will see on that tab. I told you these are not different, I mean these ones. Okay, if I want to share files from my computer to my Android device, I can simply drag and drop the files and it's going to receiving in here. I received that in my phone. Okay, and if you want, you can drag and drop the files and you can select pictures and this kind of things with these buttons that Shareit appear or Shareit put them in here, but I don't recommend them. So just you can drag a file and drop it. For example, I drag and drop this one, I drag and drop this one. It does not matter the file. The file doesn't matter. You can drag and drop a photo, drag and drop a video, drag and drop for example, a folder music. Okay, I just drag and drop a folder and it's going to send me a folder. Okay, I hope this video can help you. See you on the next one. Have a nice day. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel so